Hello, this is Wayne with United Yacht Sales. Want to share this video with you out of Fort Myers, Florida. This is a fresh listing. We just put this 2017 320 dual console WorldCat on the market. The vessel sits on a triple axle aluminium trailer. The boat is powered with a pair of 300 horsepower 4-stroke Yamahas. Compression tests were just done on these outboards in August 2023, and as of August 2023 these Yamahas have 334 hours on them. Both Yamahas are on jack plates. Boat has a nice shine to it. Boat sits in storage, once again, in Fort Myers, Florida. My name's Wayne with United Yacht Sales. My phone number is 239-707-9422. For additional information on this WorldCat, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thank you.